Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye, smoker. Kush with Zion Raga, Ya Mon. Before the sun peek over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder on the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Me step through fields where flowers grow. Smell the breeze and feel it blow. Children laugh, the elders cheer. Morning blessings everywhere. Me share me fruit with neighbor true. Pass on Jah love in all we do. From little seed to towering tree. Morning in Zion set we free. Before the noon me lift me song. Fi keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta, never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. From sunrise till the day is gone. Morning in Zion still live on.
Reggae, Ya Mon. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon walls soon tumble down. Love are wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer inna the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them inna the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the air with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant for the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun set in a west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder, wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, fi help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow through, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river, it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon walls soon tumble down. Love are wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jaja love we always keep. Zion reggae, ya man. Me wait before the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel pon earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer strong and pure. Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer in the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. In a Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree. Pray the people live in peace. Every chant me send above. Wrap the world in Jah love. Rootsman voice, humble tone. Still can shake the wicked throne. When the sun get high, me still meditate pon Jah will. Every breath a holy word. Every sound the heavens heard. From the mountains to the streets, Rootsman prayer never cease. Day and night me call Jah name. Righteous flame remain the same. Me pray for the mother, pray for the child. Pray them hearts remain undefiled. Pray for the soldier drop the gun. Pray the healing soon begun. Me pray for the elder strong and wise. Guide the youth with open eyes. Rootsman prayer like river flow. Carry love wherever it go. Prayer rise, blessing fall. Jah hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in Jah righteous trust. Rootsman chant fi set we free. Open eyes fi truth fi see. Evening come, me still give thanks. For the food and for the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman prayer in the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. In a Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near. Rootsman prayer still ringing clear.
Na 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 Saya Reggae, Ya Mon.
Inna the night when the silence speak, me light up herbs and me soul seek. Me sit on rooftop and the moon. Dab rhythm chant a mystic tune. See the burn, the air get still. Me spirit travel, Ganja will. No phone, no screen, no fake distraction. Just heartbeat and natural action. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in dubwise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Me close me eyes, me fly away through nebulae and Milky Way. Me reason with stars in a astral plane. Them whisper secrets fi ease me pain. Every echo tell me truth, likewise elders speak to youth. Me see past time, me touch the light. Me come back strong, me soul upright. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in dubwise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. Not fi run from life, but fi sharpen mind like a knife. Me inhale truth, exhale lies. Me sit still and me overstand skies. No fear when you move in a wisdom. Dub shake wall like Jericho kingdom. Me chant, me drum, me grunt, me float, me right bass line like righteous boat. Me link with ancestors through deep tone. In a dub me never feel alone. It's like rhythm, hold me tight. Guide me safe through darkest night. From root to crown, vibration climb. Me feel the pulse, me move in time. Dub a me temple, herb a me key. Jah open door, me spirit free. Dub meditation float in a sound. Me soul levitate off the ground. Reverb deep like ancient prayer. Me connect with myself, Jah always near. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me rest in dubwise fusion. Meditation in a sound vibration. Me heal me heart with right intention. So if you're stressed, if your mind in pain, come sit with I in a dub refrain. No need for talk, no need for run. Just close your eyes and face the sun. Let the bass wash you like river. Let echo flow, make you deliver. One rhythm, one breath, one love. Meditation rise like peaceful dove.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae. Deep inna the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away spirit like a friend. He tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion's When drought come try if he crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion river always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread your love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip. Feel your blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul. Make me spirit pure and whole. River whisper, child don't fear. Jaja kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingil drum so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, river of Zion still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all the sorrow cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion river call. River of Zion, flow and free, carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. From mountain top to ocean deep, river of Zion we always keep.
Aye, aye, aye. Reggae of Zion, King Ya Mon. Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me not need riches, me not need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, Missy valley, me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something for ease the pain. Me not compete, me not chase clock. Time not real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day.
Ay, 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 ganja, ganja, ganja. Ganja, ganja is the medicine, ya man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need fit talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeats all along. Select a drop, the vinyl clean. Me close eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin, but one blood true. Babylon tried, divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The reading reveal universal truth. Me nah need tech or flashy screen, just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tune to the frequency. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach
vibration, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong enough fi make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench town yard to African shore. Roots frequencies, open door. Jah in the echo, Jah in the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen king, and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm, I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. These are the heartbeats all along.
Aye, 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 Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in my face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene. Just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plan me dreams in a Zion style. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest night. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth them lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Ya Mon. And one split for the healing, and one beat for the soul. So one love for the children, one fire for the goal. Me nah bend for silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love the sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
Nah, nah, nah. Me sip coconut and smoke Ganja, ya man. Me close me eyes and me hear the drum. A ancient call say me time of it come. Me born far away but me spirit know. Mama Africa, me ready fi go. Me feeling of the breeze in a sun so bright. You beating on me heart every day and night. Me roots they deep like the baobab tree. Me soul set forward and me heart agree. The lion roar inside me mind. It tell me truth, me need to find. In a books, in a dreams, me see the land. Golden soil run through me hand. From Ethiopia to Ghana plain, me tears fall soft like African rain. Me not forget the blood, the pain, but now me chant joy again. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm, me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me see the youth them dancing a red earth clay. Me hear the elders reasoning about Rasta Way. Me sit with me drum, me sing with me soul. The people them vibrant, the culture bowl. Me eat Ital from Calabash Ball. Me feel Jah fire start take control. The chant of freedom echo in breeze. Me soul find rest, me heart at ease. Me nah need the plane, me nah need the road. Jah guide me spirit, me drop the load. Every heartbeat is a step closer still to that sacred mountain, to that holy hill. The ancestors whisper in me ear, you never left, you always here. Africa not just a place on map, it's the rhythm inside every Rasta rap. Take me back, take me home to Mama Africa where me spirit roam. Inna the hills under the sun, me know me journey have to be done. With roots and rhythm me feel complete. Barefoot on the African street. Take me back, let the music rise under the vast and ancient skies. Me light up chalice under starry dome. Give thanks for the place me call me home. Me sing to the moon, me talk to the tree. Me soul find unity, me finally free. In a market, me hear sweet songs. Drums and chants, we carry me long. Children laugh and elders pray. Africa living a every reggae. So if you hear that call, don't hesitate. Open your heart and walk through the gate. The journey deep but the blessing real. Africa heal what Babylon steal. Zion echoes rise like a flame. From Berlin to Cape Coast we call your name. Back to Mama where all life begin. Rasta anthem rise again within.
meditation with Rasta. Oh, yeah, man. Serve from a virgin fire ablaze, drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight, one drum make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link when me tell you true. In this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just reading ganja and red. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life Rootsman reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth, them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the Rootsman way. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype, not show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah, so we praise for the herbs, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open the gates. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This Rootsman love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Yeah, man. Rasta man is I, man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the river. riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb. Me guide the chant, me shield. Me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when lost and blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me float through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the pot and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay.
Aye, aye, aye. Smoke ganja, meditate, barefoot, yeah, man. Me rise in the morning with sun in a eye, herb in a hand, me chant to the sky. Birds are sing like Naya Bingy drum. Me give thanks, say me life just come. Nature surround, me heart feel calm. Me steps in a earth, me soul feel warm. Me nah need gold, me nah need fame. Jah name alone bring the highest flame. Me trod the path where me ancestors trod. Barefoot pon the soil, me reasoning with God. Ital stew bubbling, fire ablaze. Me give thanks for the simplest days. Me dreadlocks long like stories told. Each strand carry spirit, wisdom all. Me nah look back, me nah regret. The future bright, feed the ones who reflect. Rasta Way, we walk with delight. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from mental confusion. Rasta Way, it no easy path, but love are the fire and truth are the craft. Me see Babylon light, but me nah get blind. Me see the trap, but me free me mind. Me step out in a hills, away from noise, where silence sing and the heart rejoice. Me chant psalms pon the rock so high. Me soul connect to Jah up in a sky. With me chalice and drum, me reason true. Me talk to the stars like me brethren too. Me light up the pipe with holy herb. Me sing for the trees, me chant every word. Earth a me temple, sky a me dome. Me nah need city, this a me home. Me see the youths them lost in a screen, but me guide them back to the roots and sin. Me tell them pick up the drum, pick up the book. Don't follow hype, don't follow the crook. Rasta Way, we walk with delight. Smoke rise high in a starry night. Meditate deep, feel Jah voice. In every moment we make a choice to live in love and burn illusion, to free the mind from men Me nah race, me nah chase the game. Me just want people to call your name. So if you're lost, come trot this way. Let the smoke rise and the trouble sway. Inna each draw find a deeper peace. Inna each chant let worry cease. Rasta Way, it humble and wise. It teach you to see with the inner eyes. So come along on this mystic flight. Zion echoes blaze up the light.
Me skin like jackies. Birds them a chant in a morning bliss. Me step barefoot on the cool wet ground. Earth talk to me, sweet is the sound. Me roll up herb, Ital in a me pot. No riches me want, me already got. Peace in a me soul and the truth in me speech. Higher heights me seek, me not preach. Jah guide me. Rise up, Rasta, higher heights today. Burn the chalice, chant and pray. Music and ganja guide me soul. Me journey long, but me heart still old. Guide me, me nah need crown or Babylon gold. Me treasures deep, me spirit bold. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah carry me through water deep. Guide me. From noise, me hear me thoughts, me feel me joys. Bird fly free, trees sway so light. Nightfall come, stars bless me sight. Me chant with drum and sip me tea. Jah presence wrap me endlessly. Me nah rush, me pace is wise. Me soul expand, me spirit rise. One draw, two draw, me float away. Me mind makes space for the light today. No fear, no hate, no war me keep. Just melody and breath so deep. Me and me brethren sit and reason. Seasons change but vibes stay even. Me empress laugh, me youth them dance. Rasta Way, I give life a chance. Job I.E. Rise up, Rasta, higher heights, me say. Smoke and chant, the night away. Me nah follow, me create me path. Through the fire, me find Jah's wrath. But even so, love rule me mind. Me no leave no soul behind. We walk together, tribe and fire. To Zion gates, we climb higher. Dub-wise echo inna the valley. Me beat me drum like sweet tamale. Me spirit dance, me ancestors near. Me feel them whisper inna me ear. Keep treading youth, don't lose sight. Your fire burn bright in Jah light. So me chant louder, smoke rise high. Blessed is the I and I. So if you feel lost in a world so loud, find the silence in the ganja cloud. Listen to drum, listen to wine. Rasta journey come from within. Me nah need Babylon's validation. Me meditate on Jah vibration. And when me pass from this creation, me spirit fly to Zion nation.
Ay, 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 Zion. Reggae, Ya Mon. Me wake with sun, me rise up clean. Wash me face in stream so serene. Me kitchen small, but me pot them full. Roots and greens make me belly cool. No flesh, no poison on me plate. Me live Ital, me elevate. Me pick from garden, me give thanks for earth. Me not forget where me food find birth. Ital is
vital, Jah way fi trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no processed life. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food fi feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital levity, me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me remember the days in a city trap. Fast food make me spirit snap. Me feel heavy, me feel slow. Me body cry for the truth to grow. Till one day, me granny say, child come taste what Ital say. She boil some roots, she steam some yam. She show me how to live like Abraham. Ital is vital, Jah way fi trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no processed life. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food fi feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital levity, me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me live it in no just about the meal. It deeper still, it how me feel. Me bless me food before me eat. Give praise for nature, so complete. Ital mean, me nah live blind. Me take care of me heart and mind. Me cut the fake, me cut the sin. Me clean from outside and within. Ital fire blaze inna me soul. Me reason deep, me play me role. Me cook with brethren in the hills. Laughter mix with ancient skills. No microwave, no soda fizz. Just roots wine and natural bliss. Me chant run pot like sacred right. Me taste the truth in every bite. Me done Babylon, fast food chains. They profit while the people in chains. Me build me own with me two hands. Aye, the false Babylon. System lying to us. Break the false system, yeah man. Me rise up with the sun on me face. Birds them a sing, me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Ital food pan me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. It's not for escape but overstand. Every leaf I give from the earth. Use with love, each me feel I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural levity. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony one with the land. Roots and rhythm in a Jahan. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why. And still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, me say again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a tie. For awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow with chant and beat. Barefoot on the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Urban harmony sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation
inna the guide me know. Like river run, the spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high, but still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed, but them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me not hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me not debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life, me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm.
Ay, 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 ay. Down by the riverside, with the ganja glow, ya man. Me rise with sun, breeze cool and clean. Birds a sing in lush green scene. Me sit on rock, urban and meditation take me to promised land. No stress, no fun, just Rasta vibe. Me reason with wind, me soul feel alive. Me empress hums a healing song, and in the peace, me know me belong. Rootsman meditate in a delight. Ganja blaze and heart feel right. No worry now, no Babylon fear. Jah presence strong, Jah spirit near. Smoke rise high, thought drift low. Me hold the fire, me let love grow. Rootsman walk in humble peace, and with each chant, the weight release. Me cook Ital stew on open flame. Pumpkin callaloo, Jah bless the name. Me youth them run, them laugh and play. We give thanks each and every day. No microwave, no poison meal. Me food and herb, me holy seal. We sip tea made from ganja leaf. Me find in nature sweet relief. Night come down, me light a stick. Me roll a spliff and burn it quick. Stars above, me sit and chant. Me speak to Jah, me soul a plant. Me vision clear, me mind at ease. Me heart beat strong with every breeze. Them can't program this kind of love. It burning high from up above. River run cool, me bathe and pray. Me wash me doubts and drift away. A little youth say Rasta, why you smile? Me say me live truth and walk your mile. We reason deep and share a flame. No titles, no game, we want the same. Me say smoke is key, but mind is gate. Balance your heart, elevate. Roots, man, chant and herb a burn. Each puff a lesson, each breath me learn. Me carry Jah light through every day, and hold me ground when skies turn grey. Me not seek gold, me seek divine. Me path is roots, me soul align. Rootsman walk with humble pride, cause Jah ever there by me side. So if you're lost or feel confused, take off the shoes and walk with truth. Roll your spliff and close your eyes. Let Jah reveal what Babylon hide. From mountain top to yard below, Zion echoes, I make it flow. Rootsman meditation, pure and deep. Feed the soul way wake and not sleep.
Ay, yo, yo, deep inna the barefoot, Svetka, Ya Mon. Oh, yo. Inna the moonlight, she walks so fine.
Natural beauty like she made from vine. Her locks them long, her heart them clean. Me call her empress, she me roots queen. Me sight her dancing to the bassline's glow. Ganja smoke rise like a mystic glow. She say Rasta come, reason with me. Let's burn some herbs and set the mind free. Me pass her the chalice, me heart skip beat. Her voice soft like rhythm in a summer heat. She say she love when the bar drop and consciousness rise, never stop. Sip on coconut under the tree. She talk about Zion and just set we free. Me laugh and say, me dream you long time. She smile is destiny, now we align. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a Ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, the empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. She cook Ital with the earth in mind. Pure vibration in every grind. She say no need for diamond ring, just ganja drum and what life bring. When Babylon try to confuse we head, she hold me hand and chant psalms instead. The empress no follow no fashion hype. She blaze like truth like a Congo pipe. We chant rhythm deep in our hills. Meditate long till the heartbeat stills. Stars are dance above we head. Love in our bed, truth a get spread. We plant seeds, we grow food. Love with no pride, no attitude. And when rain fall on the zinc rooftop, we still a reason not ever stop. Dub for the queen, me chant for love. We float together like wings of dove. In a Ital fire, we purify soul. Heart to heart, no Babylon control. Dub for the queen, the empress strong. In a this unity we both belong. Through every echo, me feel you near. Like sweet Naya Bingi, so crystal clear. We bring our flowers from mountain high. She teach me how to watch the sky. She teach me silence talk more than word. Like how wind whisper just like bird. The empress glow in a natural way.